Hey everybody, how's it going, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing a quick guess what's in the box video on this. This is a bag from Amazon. I'm pretty sure now, since I've gone through most of them, most of the items, that these are the electronic specialist wire piercing probes and or wire piercing clips. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going, and welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, and subscribe. So today, for future updates, by the way, comment and subscribe for future updates. But so today we're going to do a quick guess what's in the box video on this little small Amazon bag. I've gone through a bunch of items, like I had stated in the intro. You know, this is the only bag I have left, and this one, and everything else has already been unbagged. These two bags that are left are related to the last, 10 videos. There was 7 bags, so sorry I got silent there for a second. My brain's not working this morning. Today is Sunday, March 13th, 2022. I did order this way back in, February, beginning of February. Got it somewhere around the 20th, 24th, somewhere in there. So these have just been sitting on the cart for a while. But let's get to it. Let's measure it real quick. This bag is 9.5 inches by wide by 12 inches long, and the widest point is about 3/4 of an inch thick. I'm pretty sure that these are the electronic specialist branded, which is, they make a great diagnostic tools and accessories. I'm pretty sure these are the wire piercing probes. You literally put it over a wire, you twist the end, and then where you twist the end on the knob, there's also a 4mm banana jack plug, so that way you can put a small little pinhole into a wire and do testing on it. It's less invasive, than cutting or other methods. And then you just put some, a little bit of liquid electrical tape there, and it's fixed and resealed. But the unboxing, we're gonna do that next. I do appreciate everybody sticking around to check out the video. It is a guess what's in the box video. I could be wrong. I don't think I'm wrong, but I did give you guys a bunch of hints. It is electronic. It is an electronic Diag item or diagnostic item. For your multimeters, or standard multimeter or digital multimeter that's on a scope, like the Snap-on Veris, stuff like that. It will work on stuff like that. It will work on the Veris, it'll work on the Vantage line, and a few other things. So please stick around for the next video, which will be the unboxing, unbagging, and discussing. I'll probably do my best to show you guys as well. But that's all I got for you guys on this one. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I will see you guys on the next one. Peace!